we're looking at the difference between cobra pose and upward facing dog. So start in table pose. Inhale, extend your right leg back. Extend the left leg back in plank pose. So option number one, we're dropping our knees down, body in one plane. Exhale as you lower half chaturanga. You're coming all the way to the ground. So first, cobra pose. Inhale, lifting. You're using the strength in your spine, the strength in your arms. Body is resting on the ground. Exhale, press back to down dog. So that's option one. Let's look at option number two. Inhale, shifting forward to plank pose. This time, full chaturanga. So lowering from here, strong core, and then hover halfway down. Inhale, lift the heart up. So you're standing strong on your arms. Your thighs are not resting on the ground. Your quads are engaged and lifting. You're reaching back through your toes. And exhale, down dog. So either option is fine, either cobra or upward facing dog as you go through your vinyasa. Upward facing dog requires a little more strength. So just listen to your body, know your body, and decide which one is right for you in this moment today.